Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage activation error. Now let's jump straight into the process. The first method is check your network settings. If your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working or not. Now second option is you can just reset network settings. For that, open your settings. Go to the option General. Scroll down to the bottom. Go to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the option Reset and then tap on the option Reset Network Settings. Now the third option is you can just check your time zone is accurate or not. For that, go to the settings and open your General. Over here you can find this option of date and time. Open it and you can just check your date and time if that is accurate or not. Now the third option is you can just turn on and off your iMessage toggle. For that, open your settings and then scroll down. Go to the messages option, open it. Now just turn on and turn off this icon in this way. Now the other method is you have to restart your phone. For that, just tap on virtual home button, go to the option device, tap on more. Over here you can find this option of restart, tap on it. Now the last option is make sure your phone is up to date. For that, go to General. Over here you can find this option of software update, tap on it. From here you can just download and install the latest version of your iOS. In this way you can easily fix iMessage activation error on iPhone.